friends, welcome to my channel Shiny's World. Today I am going to share my video on a beautiful place, Shees Park. It is a recreational park near the village of Shees in Corfacan, Sharjah, UAE. It was constructed in 8 months. It covers an area of 11,362 meters square. It includes 25-meter high artificial waterfall, 506 meters of walkway throughout the 3 mountain terraces, children's play area, 32 shaded sitting areas for families, outdoor theaters, barbecue area with limited to 5 to 6 stands. The park was started on 15th of October 2020. It was inaugurated by ruler of Sharjah Dr. Sheikh Sultan bin Mohammed Al Qasmi. And we reached there at around 5 to 6 p.m. I will suggest to go at night instead of day, because night view is better than a day view. Because in day it will be very sunny, hot and all. So if you are going for a barbecue, I will suggest the best time to go is the night time. And if you are doing the barbecue, I will suggest that you go as soon as possible, because there is a limited barbecue stands, and if you are lucky you will get the stand. You can see the people doing the barbecue, the smoke coming. There is a barbecue area. This is an entrance of the Shees Park. As it is a night, it is not that much clear. This is a small map of Shees Park at the entrance. This is COVID protocol board to follow. At this time many people have came because it was an Eid holiday. So much people have come at this time. This is a small pond which is constructed with the stones, and it is designed in such a way that it's very beautiful to view. And we were not allowed to step into the lake. It is constructed and designed with stones. This is a 25-meter high artificial waterfall, as I have mentioned earlier. Earlier the people were allowed to go inside this waterfall, enjoy the water, enjoy the waterfall. But now they have kept the no entry boundary. So we have to just take the photos and videos, but we were not allowed to go inside. We can take the photos and videos. This is a bridge. It is also constructed with the stones. Mostly we can see many things are constructed with the stones, and that's what the beauty of this place. This is the left hand side of the bridge. The small pond. People were not allowed to go or step inside the lake or the pond, but they were just taking the photos and videos. As we go forward, that side there's a washroom, so if anyone want to go to washroom, they can go that side. Then this as we go move forward, we can see there's a small restaurant. We have not gone inside because it's a little costly. Then we started with the barbecue and grilling. We enjoyed the doing barbecue. We had 4 to 5 families. If we go only as a single couple or a single bachelor or a single person, it will not be that much enjoyable. But if we go with 4 to 5 families, it will really make your day. For us, we have taken 4 to 5 kilo chicken, then 3 to 4 cover of sausages, Then for a time pass we had taken the Pepsi and cold drinks and snacks. So some people were sitting there and enjoying the snacks and drinks, and some people at the barbecue doing barbecues. It was very tasty as because it will be grounded with different species of Indian masala. It was grounded with different species of Indian masala and refrigerated for 12 hours. I will show in my next video how the recipe. As I have said, this is a very best place for children to play. They can play in this open space, and even there is a playground. As I shown earlier, there's a playground with many play items which the children can enjoy. This is another part of Shares Park. It is just straight from that barbecue area. People usually come here to go up the mountain to see the beautiful scene of Shares Park from the top. This is a playground where children enjoy. This is that 506 meters walkways constructed with stone stairs to go up the mountains. Here we go, the beautiful view of Shares Park from top of the mountain. We can see many people coming and going. We can see the children playing. Beautiful scene here. Very nicely structured and constructed. So please come and enjoy this place with your families and friends, because once you visit this place, you will like to visit this place again and again. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye and goodbye. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and click the bell icon if you like my video.